Don't throw away your old clothes you no longer wear. You can simply transform them into valuable items. 1. Cut a down jacket in the middle, flip it over and sew both sides. Then flip it back, fold the other side, tuck it in, and zip it up. You now have a cost-free pillow. 2. Take an old pair of jeans, fold them, cut off the legs, then cut them open in the middle. Flip it over, mark and trim the excess on both sides, then sew it together by hand. Tassel the bottom, and you've created a stylish, nice-looking hip skirt. 3. Don't throw away an old t-shirt with holes. Put a pillow on the t-shirt, cut around the edge at regular intervals, remove the 4 corners, and cut them into fringes. Place the pillow on top, tie the fringes together, and you've made a free pillow. For finding an used shirt, cut off the sleeves, cut the sides open, and cut off the back of the collar. Use the excess fabric to sew 2 straps, and you've made an apron. 5. Place your baby's clothes on top of dad's and used clothes, draw the outline of the clothing at a distance, and cut it out. Sew both sides together, but not the sleeves, then reinforce it with a hand stitch. Now, your baby has a new little dress to wear. 6. Cut the clothes you don't wear into strips and tie them together. Cross 2 strings and knot them as shown, then put a flower pot in it. You've made a nice, sturdy flower pot stand. Follow me for more clever lifestyle hacks.